Nuffy come down now. Put a hype. Fi come down now.
Vybz Kartel, me I make you know. You make some people when never usually call me and call me back. Vybz Kartel, you open a can of worm. Cartel, it's when you say and one man can call you on stage. A MC Nuffy. Vybz Kartel, you put back rice in my pot. You put back peas in my pot. You put back everything in my pot.
Donya, don't make that jelly. We are sip on random.com. We are using cocky brushing teeth guns out me go. Fuck your mother. Put a hit on me head, pussy. And that's another round here. Go put 1,000 on my head. I'm not cap on the internet too much. I'm not on the blood clot, but. Fuck, I'm liar.
Yo, y'all hear me?
What's that? Are you next? Yeah, pussy. Are you next, fatty boy? You next, pussy.
Yeah, man. Just reach forward from in my beer, you see me? 13 years, me no pull up on the ground and me tell you say the love real. And big up the whole Mobile, St. James live. Yeah, man, I want St. James, man. All me and Tamily are roll first night, you see me?
So now people, big up on yourself, respect for tuning into another video, you see me I say, but right now people, we say we are in which MC Nuffy a big up Vybz Kartel again, you see me I say, because basically MC Nuffy I say, yo, you see from Vybz Kartel come out and say, only him, MC Nuffy alone can call him up on stage, it's like that open a can of worm for him, you see me I say, so MC Nuffy right now just show him respect and I make Vybz Kartel know, say, yo, big up said we because Vybz Kartel give him flowers. Because basically people, MC Nuffy and Spice was the first person for book on Freedom Street. As I say. But basically instead of me there I go tell you everything. Check out this from Nuffy himself.
Your parents always say, oh God bless, no man curse. And what out of Caesar, it have to be for Caesar. Vybz Kartel, me I make you know. You make some people when never usually call me and call me back. Vybz Kartel, you open a can of worm. Believe you me. Me raise my hat up to you, know why? You give me my flowers. Cartel, it's when you say, and one man can call you on stage, a MC Nuffy, and you say Portmore, and you say Portmore, you book Nuffy and you book Spice. Vybz Kartel, when you say that, you know, you never stutter, you know. You never shake when you say it, you know. You never even look at the body and hear you, you know. You say it with authority. You give Nuffy him flowers where him deserve. Vybz Kartel, may your basket run over and full and never stop. Vybz Kartel, you put back rice in my pot. You put back peas in my pot. You put back everything in my pot. Can you make some people call me? I'm not shun them, me answer them. I want them hear me answer them, and me answer them and me say yes. Big respect to Vybz Kartel. See? Hear me no man, Freedom Street is never normal.
Yes, so that is it people, you see me I say, and that is the whole influence where Vybz Kartel bring. You see me I say, cause we even know say at the end of the day, since Vybz Kartel come out of prison, enough man get relevant again. You see me I say, enough man with them name never used to call. You see me I say, since recently. So that is the relevance of Vybz Kartel. And basically people, it no matter where a man want to say about the artist, you see me I say, whether good or bad, you see me I say, but at the end of the day, a whole heap of people respect and rate the artist, and a whole heap of people the artist do good for. Even basically at Mecca Sunday night, you see me I say, yeah, the artist give away over 3 million ad. You see me I say, plus the artist even give a lady over 80 grand to buy food for her baby. You see me I say, yeah, people you can check that back on the previous video that I posted. You see me I say, but basically people, really and truly when you look into this, how much artists wanna see I do them thing, or how much rich person per se wanna see I do them thing. You see me I say, and really and truly that's why people are gonna always respect and rate Vybz Kartel. You see me I say, because the artist free-handed, you see me I say, and the artist will also give out a helping, and if him say yeah the person really wanted to just to see him, you see me I say, and we can't take away nothing from this man. You see me I say, it's all a good thing the artists do, and people are gonna always talk about the artist. You see me I say, but check out this video what this young lady is saying to Vybz Kartel.
I'm glad to see you, I'm happy for you, everyone know I'm happy for you.
Say hi daily, they go on.
God, because I say I love you, Addy, from my heart. Because see them, I love how you make him happy. You deserve everything in the world.
Don't it?
You have good heart, you have good brother. You know much worry people for you?
You know that, man. You ain't no worry, man.
Every day.
That's a girl that I worry, I know.
How
with the blood?
I got to fly, I start with my sweater. My sweater said free Vybz Kartel.
I never want you cuss so much about it because I need to post it, but...
Oh, no, alright. I'm
going to post it, see. I'm out.
Yes, so people, we also see we're in which Vybz Kartel visit Mobile, as I say, after 13 years, as I say, and basically, the Mobile people, them go crazy for the artists, and we all know that Jamaican people no go crazy for nobody, because at the end of the day, we no frightened for nobody, as I say, we all know that is the culture of Jamaican people, but when it comes to Vybz Kartel, all of this is different, as I say, and people, as you can see on the screen right now, you can see the crowd where the artists in it, as I say, but here, check out this small video.
One gun. One gun alone, man.
How long I'm going to forward a mobile? It's a tape?
Yes.
You sure it's a tape?
Yes, it's a tape, Kartel.
You know how long I'm going to forward a mobile 13 years. Because them did have me in a prison around there. But I'm free and everything clear. Yeah, listen. Yeah.
Yes, so people, when you hear it from Vybz Kartel himself, 13 years the artist don't visit Mobile. So you don't know, there is no wonder why the people them happy to see him. You see me I say? But you don't know that a Mobile and it's also Tommy Lee place. So we also see we're in which Vybz Kartel and Tommy Lee link up. And we all know that when Vybz Kartel left road, yeah, basically a Tommy Lee and Popcorn did kind of hold up the Gaza. You see me I say? Yeah, and that is way before all of the sick rhyme situation to just to see him. You see me I say? So you don't know this is a good look on dancehall, and as well we can see, you can see say Vybz Kartel a reunite back with a lot of DJ except certain other people, but you don't know the future will speak for itself. You see me as a people. Also people, check out this video.
Yeah man, just reach forward from in a mobile, you see me? 13 years me no pull up on the ground and I tell you say the love real. I have to big up the entire staff at Breathless. It was an amazing experience. You know what I mean? I have to big up Keisha. You see, because she introduced me to the place. So Keisha KO, big up yourself. And big up the entire Breathless staff. So I say, and big up the whole Mobile St. James live. You see me? It's been years since me no pull up. You see me? About 13 years. Different now when my father at the airport today. Okay, I know at the airport that, but me I tell yourself, pull up on the ground. You see me? Yeah, man, it's a joy, man. You love always real in a mobile. You see me? I say, yeah, man, I want St. James, man. All me and Tommy Lee I roll first night. You see me? Kenil. I just never see Daima. Just that make me sad, you know? But if me did see Daima, what would I say to them?
Daima, me need your vagina.
I'm out.
Hey people, when you look into it, you know, Vybz Kartel and see them not easy, you know, one Gaza world boss, you see me I say. But people, also we see we're in which dancehall artists, high school here, you see me I say, yeah, basically high school here was on a TikTok live, you see me I say, and some man from Spanish Town, a car load of man from Spanish Town rush out of the car, and you don't know them rush the artist, and the artist have to chuck off into the water and kind of, you don't know swim for save himself, you see me I say. And at the end of the day, all of this feud is stemming from TikTok, you see me I say. But people, me I go make you check out the video and then me come explain back what really I go on. So here, what check it out.
Fuck your mother, put a hit on me head, pussy. And that's another round here. Go put 1,000 on my head. I'm not cap on the internet too much. I don't know the blood clot, but. Fuck, I'm liar. All right, jump in that water.
Suck your mother, boy, don't eat boy. Suck your mother, brawling man, brawling murder people man, you know.
So now people, dancehall artist High School Yo is also a popular TikToker that goes by the name of Shalam, you see me I say? And a long time the artists are doing thing over TikTok, you see me I say? And what really bring this recent event is basically the artists get a viral video where the artists are burn out certain things, you see me I say? And basically them kind of content they him do over TikTok, you see me I say? So the artists come and the artists are burn out, the Gen Z Jezebel them, and basically the rainbow people them, you see me I say? And I guess a lot of people kind of getting at them feelings for all of that, you see me I say? But what really bring these recent events is you also have another popular TikToker that goes by the name of King Donny, you see me I say? And basically Shalam and King Donny, yeah, it's not like them they really have a feud or nothing like that, but also another female TikToker that goes by the name of Candy. Since recently Donny and Candy start link up and you don't know like them a get together, you see me I say? And basically Shalam went on his live a couple days ago, you see me I say? And Shalam make Donny know say, yo, that same girl Candy him see her over Radam a give heads, you see me I say? And people, we not go beat round the bush, we all know what is heads, you see me I say?
Donya! Shalam! On the record this and tag Donya and tell him me say this to him. Every youth will rise up and try to bring them down and drain them and turn them in a bad table around here. Youth! A long time I watch you. The first time I know you think I know you. I know you. I know you know something see you. And you know that too. And you acknowledge me. But I tell you something today. A long time I want to say this to you. But I say I say it to you because I see where you not do the same thing. But said, not to know where I do. I no business about him. But you want bless youth. You want youth a precious to your culture. And you me say I replace fish dog. And I mean it. So I'm going to tell you something, youth. You see that girl when you cut Candy, she dey on random.com, I brush her cocky with a tea. I brush her teeth with a cocky. And then morning, same morning, me say she a kiss up her children. That I first thing will run up my blood pressure. I daughter pretty as fuck. Think about that. When me just said to you, and I rest my case. Shalam.
Also people, there's another part of the video where another TikToker that goes by the name of Busted joined the live because Shalam and Busted was on a live previous before this event happened where you don't know the two TikTokers, they was kind of throwing shades at each other, you see me I say? So when this event occurred with Shalam, Busted joined the live and him and the man them did at shades were just the same, but check out this video.
What's that? Yo, y'all hear me?
Busted, are you next? Yeah, pussy. Are you next, fatty boy? You next, pussy.
Dread boy, every day you talk about body. You look out pussy,
you're smarty.
When you are smarty, you want to have.
No, what's the problem?
You have to hide in the face, you want to have. Body boy, your name Shalam with your friend and we are fucking your own.
Fatty boy.
You suck like a dog, you have to hide in the face. That's paint out, you are bad man, I want daddy badness man. Nobody know as pain little boy.
No boy man, paint on badness man. No boy man.
Come like you want Rasta to get beaten. Now smarty.
Artist and pussy. I can't stand up on TikTok, boy Shalam. What's that? You want to support, yeah?
Hey little boy, I want daddy badness so you make you get beaten as pain, yeah? You not try to tap call with him. And tell the Rasta friends if you continue near me and girl over Portmore. Now smarty man you not fear hide on the face and put on mask. What not hide for? What not afraid for? No I hide like you're afraid of people. Now smarty man. Shalam a smarty.
Yeah, so basically people, when Busted joined the live, you can see say Busted did feel like say at the end of the day, Shalam and him friend them they just, you know, are going with them antics. You see me I say, even up until the live end, you can see say, him still not realize what really go and say, yo, I rush them and them just rush High School, yo, Shalam. You see me I say, but people basically, me I go leave on to be the judge of all of this and drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section. You see me I say, also you don't know that a lot of people on the internet is sharing their views and opinion about this situation. So check out this video, what this individual is saying.
I just see a video where the man named Rush Shalam. Shalam have to take away him bottom, be a thing, be a people a laugh. I never know say that serious. I see the people them make them joke and a laugh and a this and that time. I say I never know say that serious. Me and Shalam are a friend, cause me comment a thing over Shalam thing already and Shalam block me. You see it? Me no fuck man. So me nah look no friend from no boy. You see it? But me never think it that serious. So I have to rush the dog. Make the dog have to lift up. You see it? Big woman thing, dog. Anything with too much Jamaican and them thing there, bro. Money involved and them thing that never end well. Cause I watch, you know, anybody can take up them phone and voice them opinion. But listen me not encourage nobody to come on the media and tell a man go suck out them mother and this and that. And you can't defend it when a man book you. You see it? So, I fuck with that charge. Me never think it that serious, dog. I don't have to remember say, yo, people are see them thing the dog. Cause I no found it face mass up, but people still can't know who on bro. So I have to know how I do, brother. When they upon me, the dog, police I see them thing, everything I see them thing, that everybody I see them thing, bro. You see, you don't have to know how I do, bro. Boy, I don't know why we as Jamaicans can't do better, dog. Them, the dog, they're live now and that they are both, brother. Come on, bro. That not look good, brother. I never think it that serious. So I have to go for the man, dog, for kill the man or whatsoever. I know what to do with him a while ago. I mean, no one a prank that. I never think it that serious, dog. As Jamaicans, dog, more time we go the extreme, dog. You hear that, bro? You hear him talk and the people might bring him down on the media and I say mouth sorry and this and all of that and rare. Yeah. But I never think it that serious, so I have to go for the man, for kill the man, bro. Dog, I one thing with me, you know, I'm not going to swing with the crowd, you know. I'm going to talk what I feel, in my opinion, you know. I'm going to voice my opinion, you know, bro. You hear that, bro? And Shalam is a man who about no Batman and certain little thing, dog. I don't think he must say nothing wrong. I'm not busy about the part with the life thing, because if I love people life alone, you see it, love who and them with who and them, something. I'm not busy about that part, about charge you for love the dog. Big woman thing. You see it. I don't think him do not know what deserve him, man, for go for him.
So really and truly, people, when time I look into this, I have to just shake my head and say, Jaja, really them thing you go on in Jamaica, it's like a man can have freedom of speech and share in personal opinion. You see me I say, and all of them little thing, a waste man thing, a foolishness, I go on in the country. You see me I say, but you don't know how TikTok stay, people. TikTok is like anything goes. You see me I say, but basically, people, as I said before, I'm gonna make only be the judge of all of this, yeah, and share on the thoughts down into the comment section and make we discuss it. You see me I say, also people, you don't know, subscribe to the channel. You see me I say, turn on the post notification bell, like up the video because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. You see me I say, but when you don't know how we do the thing already, peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.